A woman is dead and her male companion injured after a gunman opened fire at them as they traveled on motorcycle in Brayton, Little London, in Westmoreland on Saturday night. She has been identified as 44-year-old Michelle Bremer Reed from the community. Reports from the police are that Reed, the now injured man, were sitting on his veranda as they engaged in a conversation. Shortly after Reed and her male friend got onto his blue motorcycle, an unknown assailant emerged from behind the wall of the front gate and opened gunfire, hitting both victims. According to the police, the gunman later escaped on foot. After the shooting subsided, Reed was found lying down with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the back of her head. Her friend was shot in his stomach. The victims were transported to Savannah Public General Hospital, where Reed was pronounced dead and the man admitted in stable condition. Investigations are ongoing. A 13-year-old boy was shot and injured when gunmen attacked an ice cream parlor along the Salt Spring Main Road in Green Island, Hanover on Saturday night. The boy, a student from St. James, was buying ice cream with his mother when the incident occurred, police said. He has since been hospitalized. Reports said that about 8:47 p.m. the child was at an ice cream parlor when a motorcycle drove up with two men. The pillion then opened gunfire in the direction of the parlor, hitting the boy. He was immediately rushed by his mother to hospital, where he was treated for a gunshot wound to the upper left section of his back. He was later admitted in stable condition. No motive has been established for the attack, the police said. A woman was shot and injured after she asked a man to pay before entering a nightclub at Salem in Runaway Bay, St. Anne on Saturday night. The injured woman has since been hospitalized, the police said. Reports reaching Observer Online indicated that around 8:30 p.m., the woman was at the nightclub when a man was about to enter the establishment. The now injured woman called out to him and told him that he had to pay $500 to enter. The man, the police said, went over to the woman and started a conversation with her. The man then pulled a firearm from his waist and fired 3 shots, hitting the woman in her upper body. The gunman then escaped on foot in the area. A unit from the St. Anne Highway Patrol arrived in the area and rushed the woman to hospital, where she was admitted.